To use the Schoology Gradebook, we're going to click on the left side and click on Gradebook. Now anything that you create in the materials section will show up here in the gradebook as long as it is marked as being graded. But you can also create materials using this plus, so we can add an assignment, we can add a test quiz, we can add a discussion, you can add a grade column. Be aware that with the add a grade column, it does not allow you to add a due date when creating it. Now there was a workaround for that, but you want to make sure that you are aware of that. So I'm going to click on add assignment, and we've got all the formatting that we've gone through on the assignment video. Let's add a due date, and click create, and I can add points. When I'm entering the grades, they automatically save, so you don't have to worry about that. Here you notice when I hover, we've got this flag. This allows us to mark things as excused, incomplete, or missing. If you mark it as excused or incomplete, it's not going to count against the student's grade. If you mark it as missing, then it's going to put a 0 in there. Say that they turn the assignment in late, we just click on the exception again, and we can give them a score, and we can even add a comment. It says maybe -1 point for being late. If you want the student to see it, then you click on that. That also means that the parent can see that. If we click on the 3 dots, we can edit from here. We can track any revisions that are made to the scores. We just select the student and we can see. You can then even revert scores back. You can set all grades. So say I want to give everybody 10 points for assignment, I can set all grades. I can set it so that empty cells are marked excused, incomplete, or missing. I can view statistics. So it's going to show me all the data points for this particular assignment. And then I can also delete it. If you click on these 3 dots, you can do a bulk edit. And this is nice because I can go in and I can, change these categories, or I can go in and do a mass due date. If something happens, I need to change the marking period, I can do that here too. You can also print reports. This allows you to print somewhat of like a progress report. And you just right click and print. And it will show all the assignments that you have published. And we'll print that for the student. You can also export and import. So we've had instances where I needed to take the whole gradebook from one class to another, and so I've exported it and imported it up, but chances are you will not use those 2 features. This little feature just allows you to toggle to full screen, so it gives you a little bit more room when looking at your gradebook. And then you can use this and you can toggle between your classes. So it just lets you jump from gradebook to gradebook without having to go into course, then click on gradebook again.